to an updated chart forecast on the E-mini S&P 500. I put out a video, I think, on Thursday, just a general direction that we should be looking for a trend down now. The biggest confusion I had was this triangle. Didn't know really how to count it. I counted a couple of ways where this was A, B, and this was C, D, and E here, and we're looking for the turn down to finish the minor degree A, B, and C. So we're looking for the minor leg C down. Now that's still the case, but I'm just trying to make sense of this triangle. I think I might have counted it wrong, but it's still going to be the same outcome. So the patterns involved might not be this whole thing might not be a triangle. There might be a kind of a complex correction. So this might be a zigzag here. Okay, I have it in a minuet green. So I have an A, B, and a C here. I don't have the B over there. Let me grab it real quick. So an A, B, and a C, and then right here I noticed there was a break in trend, in a variation. Okay, so I tried to force a triangle out of it, but I think the triangle might be actually here. So this might be the triangle. Okay, so that's when I started thinking this might be subdivided into three bigger moves. So the only problem I have is that this entire move, it's just taking a lot longer in time duration compared to the initial direction from here, because I'm pretty sure this move was this is giving us the direction right here, and all of this is just kind of a correction, if you will. So with that being said, again, I have an A, B, and C, and then an A, B, C, D, looking for an E, and then maybe a C up, and then we break down. So that could be one way it plays out. So we'd finish the triangle here, A, B, C, D, E, and then up in kind of an impulsive structure to finish out this entire complex correction here. The other move is that this is still a zigzag, A, B, C, and this is just you're connecting three waves, A, B, C, and then maybe this is your some kind of expanding flat here. I'm sorry, I did that wrong. Oh, that's right. Yeah, I was thinking this was going to be some kind of expanding flat here, but I might have changed that up. Give me 1 second. Oh, okay. No, another zigzag here. Maybe this would go kind of repeat this first zigzag. So we'll maybe end in a zigzag. So up in A, B, and finish in C, and then we start our turn down. So if that's the case, I have a target up here around the 6170 area from kind of the bigger picture here. This is on the this chart's the actual S&P chart here. basically just measuring off the first correction, we get a 161.8 right here. So we actually topped in June of 24, and this is kind of a expanding flat here to start our turn down. But I haven't. That's where I got this target here at 6170. Maybe it pokes a little higher, but this is off the monthly time frame here. So I've got kind of an expanding flat here, A, B, C, and then this would be just one move, an A, and then from here I measured, that's where I got the B, so A, B, and then we start a little bit of a pullback, and then this is needing to be, I'm counting this as the any diagonal from this section here. So this might be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then break down. So let's zoom in here where we're at now. Basically, we have our trading range right here. Anyways, this is our support and resistance, and I have the two strong support and resistance there at the top, and then a medium in the middle for your medium range, and then we're at a point of weak resistance right here. So let's zoom in here. So as it stands, our correction has already made two moves. This is your expanding flat here. This is your triangle here. Now I think it looks like we might be trying to end on an ending diagonal. So that will look like 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now from this correction here, we've already passed the 61.8. It's looking like it wants to break. It's pretty much already closed above it. This is the 4-hour chart. So on Friday it closed above it. It's standing right there on our weak support line, or price action level. Okay, so I'm pretty sure it's going to break through it on Monday. Maybe hit up here at the 76.4 zone, because we've been seeing a lot of triangular patterns. So once it hits here, I think we'll be able to determine whether it's going to continue to run up to the 6170 area to complete this move up over here. So this would be kind of drawn out over the next 2 weeks if it's going to continue up. So like I said, if we'll know when it hits the 76.4 zone how it reacts. So this might be like, you have your, like I just said, the expanding flat here, triangle, and maybe an ending diagonal. So this might be just one move, and then we'll see maybe a little pullback and then a push higher. Or it comes up to 76.4 and it just drops. And then if it drops, we're looking like it's probably going to come right back to 57.23 to set in line with this A, B, C, D, E triangle. And then the other option would be if it blows past it, then we're looking like it's a lot further drop from there. I mean, just 100%, right back to where we started the correction, the move down in July 16th, bottom there at August 5th. That's at 51.14. So that would just be the go-to price once it starts to drop. And then it could go even lower than that. So we're on the edge of our seats right now, looking for the turn. Like I said, it could be where this was the triangle A, B, C, D, E, and now we've already started the minor C leg down. So a lot more, I think, to more profit to the downside, I would believe. I think the best advice, don't take this as financial advice, but just what I can get out of this is our trading zone right now. That's we've hit it a couple times here in the past, and it didn't really even hold that long. Then it dropped out, and this price here is at 60.41. Our high was 60.53, so right at the 6,000 level, more or less. So if we keep making lower highs to the 6,000 point, that's probably going to be an indication that we're going to get a pretty good drop, at least early on in the week. Maybe I might be looking for some short positions here, and good luck. Congratulations if you caught these swings here. That was real difficult. I was able to get this one and this one, but on Friday it really was tricky. So and I was expecting on Friday to really kind of blow past this 59.91, 59.90 level, and it seemed like it had a hard time. So it's going to be very interesting on Monday to see how that reacts. Also, if we played this here, this section as a channel, I drew some trend lines, and you can see that these two lines, you have your top and your bottom and a medium here, and it looks like it was dropping outside this zone here a lot more. So I think that shows maybe a kind of a bearish turn is coming. How much, I don't know quite yet, but I think overall, I guess I could show you a couple of fact points that got me to this point here. Also, this move right here is actually pretty similar in the start of the down move in July. Right here, I found a lot of similarities in the percentage of moves. So this might indicate that the turn has already started. And another is that this move looks an awful similar to this move here. Okay, so I didn't really get into the fibs on this one to measure the identity of it, but just the trajectory looks a little similar and the distance out. So, but it's really what caught my eye is this move down. It had a lot of similar moves, according to the fibs. Okay, so yeah, I think that's about it. Let me see. Yeah, the more I kept trying to measure all these moves here from August 5th, it looks like this is going to be separated into three moves. This is one move, this is the second move, and this is going to be the third move. So I think that the third move is going to it's going to be interesting. I don't know, but it really looks like, if I had to guess, I think that this is going to come down here, act as a triangle from here, and then I think we're going to get a push up to here. And then we got to move down. So, I just think that we are going to move up a little bit more. I don't think this move is done quite yet, so yeah, there we go. All right, so I think that's my best forecast. That's the one that made the most sense. So minor leg down in A, complex correction, and the minor leg B up here somewhere, and then our minor leg C is going to be somewhere down here. I guess that's it. I hope that helps, and thanks for watching.